Tame Impala, also known as Kevin Parker, is a psychedelic blend of rock, pop, and perfectionism. But it's more than that. See, today I'm going to show you how to make a song like Tame Impala in order to find the perfect sound. Step 1. First thing you gotta do is pick a keyboard or guitar, or both, and play a progression of 3 or 4 chords, or both. No, this doesn't sound right. Okay. Then you're gonna need to grab your 1969 Fender Stratocaster and play those same chords but arpeggiate them. Yeah, that's nice. Could be better though. Next, you're gonna need a rock beat on a vintage drum kit. So you got, your floor kick, your snare, your hat, your crash. Oop, not that kind of crash. Let me just tune it up a little bit. There we go, just this kind of crash. You see, it sounds nice, but it could be better. Next, you're gonna need a tasty bass riff. So bust open a fresh bag of riffles, and then arrange a riffy bass line. You see, that's good, but it could always be gooder. Lastly, record some falsettos to get the perfect groundwork for your sound. See, that sounds nice, but it's not perfect. Step 2. Now, in order to arrange your music, you could start off by structuring each section of the song into a form, a song form. So generally, you could start off with an intro, an A section, a B section, maybe sneak in a little bridge in there, and then go back to A section, B section, and then maybe put in an outro. Step 3. Lyrics. Great, once you have music to sing to, play it over and over until the perfect lyrics begin to manifest. If you're having trouble coming up with the lyrics, you can always dissolve a tab of effects under your tongue. And what the hell's going on? What's happening? Okay, quickly, you only have a few hours before you phase back to reality, so don't delay in compressing the time that it takes to reach your objective of finding that perfect sound. Oh, do you hear that? You hear that?
It's your inner perfectionism.
What?
You seek the perfect sound, I see. Then values you must pay me 3. 1, a few hours of time.
But that's all of my time.
2, a week's worth of joy.
But that's all of my joy.
3, your liver.
Hi, it's me, your inner speaker, and this is one of those critical moments where you realize that perfectionism is a real live or die situation, and you have to make a choice for the better. So what will it be?
No. Wow, hey, whoa, check it out. Is that Tom Brady with the New England Patreons? Wow, what a crazy concept. Well, if you like the video and want to see more dumb content, you can support me and see behind the scenes stuff and the work and the process and everything in between. Also, there's a Discord chat if you want to support. Links in the description, and remember, be the Patreon that you would like to see in the world.